Experience both the wonder of world-class cities and the splendor of unspoiled wilderness on this fascinating 8-day itinerary with Viking. Your journey begins in cosmopolitan Toronto. Sample a tasty selection of foods at the celebrated St. Lawrence Market, which dates back to the 1800s. Or explore the halls of stately Casa Loma, an opulent chateau built for an electricity tycoon, right in the middle of the city. With 98 rooms, the luxurious castle took nearly 2 million man-hours to construct. Set sail across Lake Ontario to Port Colborne, a charming city at the southern end of the Welland Canal. This man-made marvel, carved from the earth in the early 19th century, is your gateway to Lake Erie. It was built to circumvent Niagara Falls, one of nature's most majestic displays, where thunderous arcs of water plunge more than 160 feet to the river far below. Your purpose-built Viking vessel is an ideal base from which to explore and learn. A floating classroom sharing the science behind the fascinating ecosystems you're sailing through. Your expedition-class ship is equipped with watercraft so you can investigate intriguing shorelines up close during your voyage. It's also possible to explore secrets below the surface with our Viking submarines, which provide unparalleled views of some of the hundreds of schooners, steamers and barges that lie scattered across the bottom. You'll sail the length of Lake Erie, pausing at Point Pelee National Park, Ontario, where you can catch a glimpse of migratory birds and other wildlife in Canada's most ecologically diverse national park. Then it's on to Detroit, Michigan, and its picturesque, revitalized riverfront. Immense Lake Huron, one of the top 5 freshwater lakes in the world, comes next. Along the way, a day of exploration at Alpena, Michigan, near Thunder Bay, where the opportunities to immerse yourself in nature are plentiful. On Mackinac Island, you may feel as though you've stepped back in time. This sleepy, carless village remains little changed since its founding in 1780. You'll sail south on beautiful Lake Michigan to Sleeping Bear Dunes National Park. The immense sand dunes and bluffs that tower 450 feet above the lake are sure to catch your eye. But this lush park is also home to a fascinating mix of flora and fauna. Your Viking experience concludes in Milwaukee, a delightful city in which to close your memorable Niagara and the Great Lakes journey.